A delightful, wholesome, and reasonably priced snack, peanut butter can be utilized in a wide range of recipes. It has a distinct flavor and texture and is created from ground, roasted peanuts. Roasted peanuts and salt are the only two ingredients needed to make the ultimate peanut butter. Peanut butter is frequently used as a source of protein and fat in vegetarian diets. Numerous additional health advantages of peanut butter could improve sports performance. Additionally, it's a fantastic source of vitamin E, heart-healthy fats, and protein. What more does peanut butter offer? The list goes on and on. We'll discuss the top 10 advantages of routinely consuming peanut butter in this video. Number 1. Boost energy and mood. It's possible that eating peanut butter has an energy-boosting influence on blood sugar levels. Additionally, eating peanut butter has been connected to a reduction in the prevalence of depression. In one study, participants who had peanuts 3 times per week had a 50% lower risk of depression than those who never consumed them. The antioxidants in peanuts known as phenolics, which have been demonstrated to have anti-inflammatory qualities, may be to blame for this, according to the researchers. Thiamine, which is present in peanut butter in small amounts, aids in the process of turning carbohydrates into fuel that your body's cells can use. If you don't get enough thiamine, you might feel tired or irritable all day. Number 2. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. Minerals like copper, phosphorus, and manganese are abundant in peanut butter. Additionally, it has significant levels of zinc and potassium. Niacin levels in our bodies are increased because to the high niacin content of peanut butter. Niacin is crucial for numerous biological functions, including the process through which our bodies turn carbs and lipids into energy. It improves healthy skin by lowering inflammation brought on by acne lesions and assists in maintaining healthy nerve activity. Per 1 ounce serving, peanut butter also has between 1 milligram of thiamine. That amounts to more than half of RDA for persons over the age of 51. For the formation and growth of muscles, thiamine is crucial. Additionally, a wonderful source of iron is peanut butter. Your body needs iron to transport oxygen in the blood so that it can produce energy from meals. Lack of iron in the diet can cause anemia, which can lead to headaches, fatigue, and other symptoms like shortness of breath. 1 iron is present in 1 spoonful of peanut butter, or about 5% of the daily value for men and women. Number 3. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants like those found in peanut butter help lower the risk of developing cancer. 2 potent antioxidants found in peanut butter are resveratrol and quercetin. These substances work to combat free radicals in your body and can stop them from harming healthy cells. Doesn't contain any hydrogenated fats or oils if you want to reap the most health benefits from it. Vegetables oils are converted into hydrogenated fats, which are solid at room temperature. Because they prevent the oil from separating from the remainder of the product, they are frequently utilized as components in some types of peanut butter. This kind of fat can raise your risk of heart disease and have a bad impact on your cholesterol level. It is best to minimize your intake of hydrogenated fats as much as you can if you have high cholesterol or heart disease. Number 4. High in protein. An excellent source of protein is peanut butter. 7 grams of protein, or 15% to 20% of the daily allowance for an adult, are included in 1 serving of peanut butter. This tasty spread contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. Our bodies need amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, to assemble muscle tissue and repair cells that have been harmed by trauma, stress, or exercise. Peanut butter's high protein content can aid in gaining muscular mass. According to a University of Toronto study, those who consume peanut butter on a regular basis had 4% more muscle mass than those who did not. Number 5. Low in carbs. One of the most well-liked low-carb snacks on the market for a long time has been peanut butter. In fact, due to its high protein and low carbohydrate content, it was long thought that eating peanut butter might aid in weight loss. Although it's not quite accurate, this is still a decent alternative for anyone trying to cut back on their carb intake. The sort of peanut butter you buy and how much of it will determine how many carbohydrates it contains. 10 grams of total carbs and 5 grams of fiber are present in a serving size of 2 tablespoons. Thus, there are only 5 grams of net carbohydrates. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video this far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 6. High in healthy fats. There is much more to peanut butter than just the taste. It is a mainstay of the American diet. It has a lot of heart-healthy fats, which can help lower cholesterol and minimize your chance of developing heart disease. According to dietary recommendations, adults should consume 20% to 35% of their daily calories as fat. For instance, if you stick to a diet of 2,000 calories, you should consume 65 to 100 grams of fat per day. About 50% of the fat in peanut butter is unsaturated fat, which has a number of health advantages. Number 7. Aids in weight loss. Because it is high in monounsaturated fats, which keep you satiated for a longer period of time, peanut butter aids with weight loss when consumed in moderation. Additionally, it has no carbohydrates, which makes it perfect for low-carb or ketogenic diets or other weight loss regimes. Additionally, peanut butter's fiber content might support healthy weight management. Fiber makes you feel full, which makes it simpler to control your daily calorie intake and prevent overeating at meals. In fact, a study indicated that those who ate peanut butter before bed ate less at meals the following day than those who didn't, according to the Journal of the American Dietetic Association. Today, there are many different kinds of peanut butter, making it simple to pick one that complements your diet and lifestyle. Just be sure to review the nutrition information for each brand and select the one you like. Number 8. Boost heart health. Unsaturated fats included in peanut butter can help lower levels of harmful cholesterol. It also includes the amino acids arginine and tryptophan, which aid to increase blood flow and lessen inflammation in the body. Even blood vessels and blood pressure are relaxed by arginine. Resveratrol, an antioxidant found in red wine that reduces blood pressure and improves blood flow to the heart muscle, is also present in peanut butter. By reducing the oxidation of LDL or bad cholesterol particles, the vitamin E present in peanuts may lessen the development of plaque inside your arteries. Eating peanut butter at least 3 times per week may cut your risk of heart disease by 5%, according to Harvard Medical School researchers. Number 9. May reduce the risk of breast cancer. Antioxidants and phytochemicals included in peanut butter are naturally occurring and may help lower the risk of breast cancer. According to research, those who consumed the most peanut butter had a 30% lower risk of breast cancer than those who consumed none. More than 86,000 women between the ages of 26 and 46 were a part of the study. From 1991 through 2007, the researchers requested them to complete food frequency questionnaires every 4 years, and they tracked changes in their dietary patterns over time. There were 2,400 incidences of breast cancer among the patients after 10 years of follow-up. By preventing free radicals from harming cells in your digestive system, peanut butter's high vitamin E level also helps prevent colon cancer. When oxygen interacts with other molecules over time, or when you breathe in contaminated air, free radicals are the molecules that result. Number 10. Manages blood sugar levels. It has been demonstrated that peanut butter can slow down digestion and aid prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Therefore, peanut butter may be advantageous for those who have diabetes. Eating peanut butter may help prevent your blood sugar from falling too low because the protein in it offers amino acids that are converted into glucose and then used by the body for energy. Peanut butter has advantages for people who do not yet have diabetes but are at risk for it, in addition to its capacity to assist in blood sugar management. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below if you love peanut butter. You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below here. Thank you for watching!